How to fix Snapchat C14a error. Hello everyone, wherever you are. In today's video I will show you how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have now to search for Snapchat. Open then Snapchat like this, scroll down and go to storage. Here go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data. Click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. And what you should do then guys, you have to go to your here permission and files and media. You have to allow access to media only, and after this go and restart your phone. After this your problem will be solved. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.